Ever wondered how to elevate your snare drum game? Meet DC Snares by Plugin Boutique, your new best friend. Hi everyone, if you are looking to take your music production to the next level, I have an amazing plugin to share with you today. Introducing DC Snares by Plugin Boutique, the ultimate snare construction kit designed by multi-award-winning artist David Kab. This plugin offers everything you need to create powerful snares effortlessly, from hundreds of custom-made onboard sounds to a purpose-built synth engine, inbuilt randomizer, and 4-slot sample layering system. DC Snares provides endless possibility to crafting unique percussive sounds. You can control every aspect of your snares with features like powerful pitch and amp envelopes, a bespoke snare-oriented effect chain, and a real-time waveform view. Plus, the internal sequencer engine makes performing snare rolls intuitive and fun. Whether you are into hip-hop, EDM, rock, or sound design for films and video games, DC Snares has got you covered. And the best part, it's not just limited to snares. You can create kicks, bass, hearts, rims, claps, and more. Now, have in mind that this is not an in-depth tutorial for this plugin, but if you want me to make one, let me know in the comments or simply visit their official website to read more about it. And just to let you know, I'm not getting paid to review this plugin. I genuinely believe it's a game changer for producers, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. If you want to check it out and support my channel at the same time, use my affiliate link in the description below. Every purchase made through this link helps me continue bringing you great content. So, if you're ready to enhance your production game, click the link below and get your hands on DC Snares today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye for now.